Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Tonight we got a fun little video lined up for you. We're going to do a quick unboxing and going over the Masterforce Flex Power cordless bandsaw. Now this is the exact same as a big name brand bandsaw. So stick around the end and I'll let you know which one it is and if it's worth the money or not. Hit that intro. Alright guys, so Menards had this on clearance. I believe it was $79.99, which is funny because they just changed the box style, and the one that's doesn't have the white on like this is $119.99. So quite a bit cheaper just because they changed the style of the box. And they're discontinuing this color, I guess. Alright guys, this is 550 SFPM, no load. Cut capacity is 2.5 inches. The blade size is 28 inches and 13/16. It's 1/2 inch wide or 0.02 thickness. It's a 14 to 18 TPI tooth per inch blade. The bare tool weighs 5 pounds and 15 ounces, so essentially it's 1 ounce under 6 pounds. Yeah, looks pretty slick. We pop her open and see what we got. Oh, inside the box. Ooh. Burning material. Stop if you have questions. Call this number for parts. We'll handle. And we have empty box. The bandsaw itself. Now, oh, look at that. How'd the blade get on there? Oh, it's kind of dusty. I wonder what happened there. Did somebody already test this out? Maybe. I don't know. See, guys, I don't really do unboxings that much because you open it up, there's nothing really to it. Handle, you slap it on like this right here. Crank her down. The battery slaps on the top like that. You have a little safety thumb switch here. You have to push that up and then engage. Now, two things. This is a brushed unit, has this big motor in the back, and there's no LED light. So right there, people might be like, nope, don't want it. But, it's not bad, guys. For $79, considering these little bandsaws are freaking expensive, guys. So if you're on a budget, you got a family like me, you jump at the opportunity to get cheap tools. Oh, I forgot to show you how to change the blade. Take the handle off. I'm not going to do it because the blade will spring out. It's super easy. This lever here, all you do is rotate it 90 degrees so it's facing out this way, and that just loosens the tension on this upper wheel. It actually comes all the way in, about 1/2 inch. Then you can just put the blade on. Super easy, pops on and off. And let's see, Masterforce does have a 4 amp hour, a 5 amp hour, and a 7.5 amp hour battery that all fit this. Since my vise is getting repainted, I'm working on it. I'm just have this clamped up here. We got a railroad spike. This is medium high carbon steel. Do a couple quick cuts on this to show you how fast it is. Has a nice little rest right here. This rests on there. You see it? I'll hold back here so you can see it better. I'm not pushing very hard, I'm just letting the tool do the work here. I forgot to tell you guys, this is just a 2.0 pack. Did 6 cuts on the railroad spike, drained it down 1 bar. It doesn't have electronic brake, so it does kind of take, what, 4 to 6 seconds to kind of ramp down. It's just a budget, nice little saw to have. I'm sure if I slapped a 5 or a 7 on here, it'd get a lot more power. But that's really all I got for you guys. Yeah, so 550 feet per minute, that's kind of standard. That's the same as the Ryobi. And I'm going to insert a clip, guys. This is the exact same thing as the Bosch. So an insert clip right here. The Bosch one is the exact same as the Masterforce. The grip is on the corner right here. The changer is on the same spot right there, and the battery goes on the top. So it's the exact same configuration as the Masterforce. Motor's in the back, and the battery goes on the top. Exact same thing. There's the back. Even has the same roller position. Look at that. The backrest is the exact same. It's hilarious. And so theirs is $149, where the Masterforce was $79. So exact same one as the Masterforce. Just want to show that was kind of cool. Wasn't that interesting? If you look, the Bosch's handle is on the exact same spot here. The motor is in the back, and the battery goes right on the top. It's the exact same configuration, except for the Bosch is $150, and this is $80. So, nice little budget, compact unit. I really like it, guys. Go check it out. Masterforce at Menards only, or on Menards.com, I guess. If you live in the upper northern states, where it's cold, you know what Menards is. I give it a quarter thumb up. No, half thumb up. I'm not giving it one full thumb up, because I'm not really crazy about it, because it's missing a couple of features I really wanted. But I'm this much. Not neutral, not negative. I'm this much right here. The price is what got me. Now, if this was $150, I'd be all day long. But the price comes with one blade. It's not bad, guys. It's not going to go out and chop a ton of steel. Don't expect it to do that. But we have little jobs like I needed, to trim up knife blades, or I do blacksmithing sometimes, and this is what I got it for, just to do little cuts on knives and whatnot. Pretty slick. You don't have to fire up the big old freaking angle grinder. I like it. It's quick and easy. Alright, guys. Don't forget, give the channel a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe. You don't want to miss my future content, guys. I got a lot of good stuff coming out, and in a couple days, I'll be announcing the winner of the $50 gift card to the store of your choosing, wherever you're located. Hardware stores, be like a Home Depot or Lowe's. Not doing it to like Target or Walmart. So stick around for that, guys. We got a lot of good stuff. We have tons of impact driver videos, tons of hammer drill videos coming out. Somebody, actually, I think I had 5 people say do the bandsaw video, so I figured I'd just throw this out there real quick. There you go. Hope you like it. I'll do a more in-depth review on this later on. This is more just like unboxing and initial testing for you guys. With that being said, guys, have a blessed night. Until next time, see ya!